Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and here is the update for XRP Ripple. What's going on with our XRP? You can see it here. Look at the daily pump, 33% in the plus. Look at the weekly pump, 64% in the plus. Momently, XRP is a little bit under $1 at 95 US cent. And look at this nice upgoing chart picture here. We have a green, nice upgoing chart picture here. So let's check this. Before we start with our TA, guys, this is my live stream. The name is Crypto Trading Informant. I am live on Twitch 24 hours with this channel. And you can see here 9 of the biggest cryptos like Ethereum, Litecoin, Bitcoin, XLM, ADA, BNB, IOTA, and here is XRP on the down right side with Fibonacci, MACD. With down coming here is the MA200 and so on and so on and so on, guys. All you need to trade, the buy, the sell signals, the long, the short signals, all you need to trade for these big coins is here live 24 hours. So let's start here. Here's the technical overview of XRP, and you can see here on the daily time frame we have a strong buy and a strong buy for XRP and a neutral on the oscillators. On 4 hours we have a buy on the summary, a strong buy on the moving averages, but we have a sell on the oscillators. Attention. On the 1 hours we have a buy, a strong buy, and a neutral, and on the 15 minutes we have everything neutral. So let's check XRP now. This is the daily chart of XRP. Every candle is 1 day, and look at this candle. This is the biggest candle since this one in 2018. Is this the biggest candle? And guys, I showed you in another XRP video this triangle, and if we will break this triangle up to the upside, we have a nice target at $1.57. And every one of you who saw these videos on my channel or this video, you have a really nice trade here. You can see it. You have a long position here from the downside. The long position was on 50 cent or 50 or 42 cent. Now we are at $1. You have doubled your XRP, and it's going to the upside more and more and more. And yes, this target at $1.57 is still accurate. This is a still accurate target. So what's going on with the MACD? The MACD is ultra bullish. It's for sure. You can see it here on the downside. What's going on with the indicators? The RSI. I'm really sure. Yes, we are extreme overbought. Look at this 84 points. We are extreme overbought with the RSI momently. So this is not so good. Maybe we are coming down again here a little bit because of this big overbought RSI. If we're zooming in a little bit, we have a bad candle here. Yesterday the candle, very nice to the upside, a really nice candle, a really nice breakout. Now we have an unsure candle to the upside and to the downside with a long wick on both sides here, and that's very important. This wick is now telling us the future, the near future. If we see a long wick on the closing candle to the upside, it will go down again, and if we will see a long wick to the downside and a big body to the upside, we may see more pump. So we need to stay attention. This is 9 hours left for closing this candle, and we have to watch this then, guys, here for this day, for this closing candle. So if we're zooming out a little bit more, we see the ribbon band is here as a nice support. EMA 200 from the downside is also here as a nice support. Everything is working fine here on this daily chart. We can see a lot of things here on this daily chart. Let's check it with the parallel channel from the downside to the upside, like this here maybe, or we can make it like this here. And now, guys, if we are making this line here to this highest point, you can see why we spiked to this point here. It was predictable to see this spike to this point at, let me check the price target, on $1.09, and you can see we are in this big nice uptrend, and this was a very nice point, this spike to our trend channel here. So we are over the middle line. This is a very nice thing. We have the middle line as a support, and this is not the baddest thing at all. So let's check the next thing. Let's check the 4-hour chart. What's going on with XRP in the 4-hour chart? And yes, in the 4-hour chart we have a bad wick to the upside. Look at this. Not so good. MACD bullish for sure. Okay, the blue line is over the brown line, but look at this. Right, this is frightening me a little bit. This big wick to the upside means we are coming down again. Maybe we are retesting here our middle line here. This middle line is now our support. A support is always a green one. Maybe we are retesting this line here, and it always depends where we will retest. Maybe on this point here 75 cents, or maybe a little bit like this here 75.6, 76. But guys, this is our big next support. If we're coming down again to retest this middle line, 76 is a very, very good and nice support. Also a nice support here is this highest point here. We can make a line from here to this point, like this one here. This is always a good support, and also a good support also in 76 cents. You can see it here. So this is working now as a very, very good and big support, 76 cents. This should be a good point if we're coming down a little bit more and more, that this one should hold, and then we see maybe a pump, more pump for XRP. It's still possible. We have a big target out there with $1.50, $1.60. So, okay, the ribbon band is nice, EMA 200 coming as a support from the downside. Everything is nice here. What's going on with the 1 hour candles? And yes, the 1 hour candles are telling us this here better momently. Big wick to the upside. Now it's going down. Look at this big wick to the downside. That's normally a bullish thing. You can see it here. Big wick to the downside. Bam, it's going up. Big wick to the downside. And bam, it's maybe going up. So, okay, guys, this is a very important fight now for XRP. We need to go on if we would like to see a mooning XRP. The problem is we have a bearish MACD. The blue line is under the brown line. And one thing we have to watch, guys, is also this one. Maybe we are building a shoulder ahead and maybe a shoulder. It's not a shoulder at the moment, but maybe if we're going sideways a little bit, we are building a shoulder head shoulder. And if this would happen, we have, you know it, guys, we have a breakout target. We can draw it maybe like this here. It's not so perfect, but let me show you. If we are breaking down this shoulder head shoulder, oh, what are you drawing here, BITI? Like this here to the downside, we may see a retest of our triangle, and this is still possible. Look at this price. The retest of our triangle here was the breakout, and here maybe is the retest at 0.67 or 67 cents. It's possible to retest the triangle again and to break out to the upside from here again. That's the big point we have to watch. Also is here coming the EMA 200 from the downside as a support. We may hit it here, and it's not impossible to see 67 cents in the near future, in my opinion. A retest and then maybe a pump to the upside. But if XRP will pump to the upside, Bitcoin will go down more and more. And this is also very important to watch what's going on here with XRP versus Bitcoin. Let's check this XRP versus BTC. What's going on here? That's the next big picture. The 1 hour chart is telling us, okay, Bitcoin is here in troubles. XRP is going on and on and on. The ribbon band is here. Everything is fine. And as long as we are over the ribbon band on the 1 hour chart, everything is nice for more pump of Ripple against Bitcoin. This is our uptrend. We are still in the uptrend. We have now the middle line as a resistance and need to fight back this one here. So okay, for this time frame everything is okay. If we're zooming out a little bit more, I think also this is a okay position here. Yes, we broke out the downtrend here and now it's going to the upside. Very, very nice, guys. Very, very nice. So let me check one thing now. Now XRP versus USDT. One thing I have to check now is this one here. If we are coming down now a little bit on the 1 hour chart, we can make one thing here. We can make now Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point like this here. This is our Fibonacci line, and this Fibonacci line is momentarily working also as a support. So you can see this spike down to this Fibonacci line 61.8% at 88 US dollars. Sorry guys, this is this point here we have to watch. 88 US dollars, very important, this Fibonacci line. The biggest problem momentarily to the upside is this Fibonacci line. This is on 78.6. that's the golden pocket Fibonacci line at 97 US cents or $0.97 US cents. Yes, that's the next big thing we have to watch to the upside. So momentarily we are between these two Fibonacci lines, and you can see it now, guys. This is the next thing to watch on the 1 hour chart. 88, 81 and 75, big support, then 67 if it's going down from here, and it's still possible to go down from here, maybe a little bit sideways, maybe we are building a right shoulder and it's going down again. So let's check it. Maybe we will go down with this shoulder head shoulder to 67 cents, or we will see very soon $1.50 if we can move on from here. Guys, that's the update for XRP, and it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short from here, guys. I wish you make millions out there with your trade. Special greetings to my big boss of my live stream. My crypto trading informant live stream is the second one, and the Bitcoin trading informant live stream, this is my big baby here. The second live stream here is all about Bitcoin. You can see it, 50-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 4 hour chart, buy, sell signals, Fibonacci, and so on and so on. And my big boss here is Cromlange. Greetings out there to my big boss, and thank you for watching, guys. Very important. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant.